How to use Netflix Party. First of all you have to do is open Netflix in Google Chrome. Then sign into your Netflix if you need to. After that, all you have to do is start watching a TV show or movie. Click the Netflix Party button towards the top right corner of the browser. After that, click on the checkbox if you want sole control over the video, or else you can simply click on the Start the Party. After you click on the Start the Party, click Copy URL option available there and send the link to your other party members. They need to have Netflix Party installed on their browsers too. Type in the message field to send messages to one another as you watch the movie or show. Now you just watch the movie or TV show with friends and chat with one another while you are doing it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.